How much does Kartra cost? This is Matt, and this will be a video all about Kartra pricing. You can see that I am on the Kartra pricing page right here. We see the different options. They've got a few different pricing plans. It does get a little bit complicated, so I'm going to go through all of this in detail in this video. But first things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description. Just below this video, if you click on my link, you can get this 14-day free trial. And actually, I'm going to show you a way to get a 30-day free trial by the end of this video. So I'll show you that. There's a little, I wouldn't even call it a workaround. It's just a little trick that you can do to get this 30-day free Kartra trial. So you double it up rather than 14 days. You're more than doubling up your trial. You're getting 30 days instead of 14 days. So right here on pricing, let's go through pricing first, and I'll show you that little trick in just a moment. We've got the free trial right here. So you can start for free and you can check out, it says that it will put you on the $119 starter plan. But you can actually, once you, as I'll show you in a minute, once you actually start the free trial, you can select any of these options. But their pricing plans they've actually got, if you do stick around, they've got Essentials at $59 per month. They have Starter at $119 per month, and they have Growth at $229 per month. So how this all works out is features wise, with the Essentials plan, the $59 plan, you get 500 contacts, 10,000 emails, 5% transaction fees, and 1 custom domain. So one of the big kind of needle movers here as you move up the different pricing plans is that transaction fees are completely eliminated on the 2 more pricey plans. On the kind of entry-level plan, the Essentials plan, you are paying 5% transaction fees. What that means is that for each sale, they will take that 5% cut, which they won't take when you are on when you're paying a little bit more monthly on one of these plans. So there's some extra features here, as you can see. Starter gets everything in Essentials, plus unlimited pages and unlimited products, and unlimited memberships and courses. As you can see here, all of this are little toolbars so you can highlight what each of them actually means if you want to check that out right here on the pricing page. So very important, unlimited. There are limitations with Essentials. And then Growth, there's a lot more sort of customization. You can have a look through here. I'm not going to read out everything, but you do get everything on Starter, and then you also get funnel simulation, you get webinars, 1K guests, and you get some more automations and also affiliate options, which might be really important depending on who you are and what your business is. So I should note that all of these prices on the screen right here are the monthly price. This is paying month to month without being locked into a yearly contract. If you do want to pay yearly, there is a 22% saving. As you can see, the prices go down. So paying yearly, you do have to pay all of the months up front, but you're getting that 22% saving. So that's worth knowing. So how do you get this 30-day free trial? Let's actually just look quickly. The price comparisons, the actual, if I knot these down. So it's always good on these pricing pages to be able to see this kind of table where you can see the side-by-side comparison of different pricing plans and what you get, and in some cases what you don't get based on the plan. So you can have a look on this page in detail. There's some frequently asked questions at the bottom if you want some more information as well. So the 30-day trial, without further ado, as you can see, 14 days is the free trial right here. We're going to click on Start for Free. Then you will choose your plan. So Essentials, Starter and Growth, as I covered earlier, they're all covered under the 30-day money-back guarantee. It's a 14-day free trial, but rather than clicking on one of these and getting a 14-day trial, what you can do is you're going to slowly move your mouse up to the top, and what will happen, or should happen, there you go, I've triggered it. So essentially it's a pop-up as you move your mouse away, and you're essentially saying to the screen that you are leaving. This page will offer you a 30-day. As you can see, you can unlock 30 days and you get a 30-day free trial rather than a 14-day free trial. So that's more than double. It says double your trial. It's actually a little bit more than double. You get 30 days instead of 14 days. Well worth doing. All you need to do is just click on unlock 30 days and you'll start your trial with one of those plans, but you'll get 30 days instead of 14 days. So very much worth doing. That's a little trick there. Can't guarantee they'll always have this option and this pop-up will always work, but as of the publishing of this video, that deal from Kartra is existing. So hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.